Wheat. Globally, after maize, wheat is the second most produced food among the cereal crops. Wheat is originated in Southwest Asia in the area known as the Fertile Crescent. The first grown wheat is in 7000 BC. Rye. It is a member of the wheat tribe and is closely related to barley. Since the Middle Ages, rye has been widely cultivated in Central and Eastern Europe. It was first grown in 6500 BC. Barley. Barley is an annual cereal grain which serves as a major animal feed crop. With smaller amounts used for malting and in health food, half of the United States barley production is used as an animal food. It was first grown in 4500 BC. Radish. The radish is an edible root vegetable. Radishes have numerous varieties varying in size, color and duration of required cultivation time. The first grown radish is in 3000 BC.